Would you look at what we have here? 1969 Olds Cutlass. 99% stock and original. This car is like showroom condition. The problem here with the right rear window, quarter window. When I roll it down with the switch, you can see it rolls down, but I'm pushing the switch up and it's not working. Let's see if I can push it a little harder. The left one works up and down. The right goes up, right front, and down. Now from the other side, look at this car, it's immaculate. I'm afraid to touch it. If I operate the switch on the right side, it works up and down. So, based on how the circuit works, I'm condemning the master switch. I don't really want to take the door panel off, because you have to take the door panel off to access the switch. Let's make sure this window works from this switch. Okay, this one works from this switch. It goes down but not up. So that'll be a problem with this switch. I see the switch is pulled out of the... It wasn't completely plugged in. It's not meant to come out like that. Oh boy. Now it won't work at all because it's got to go through this switch. I believe, let me double check. So it still works from this switch, so it can't be wired through that right window switch because it's obviously not installed. Let's see if I can plug that back in. This switch here doesn't work. There's got to be a problem with this master switch and the right window switch. So I managed to pull the little retaining clip out and connected the switch. It wasn't completely plugged in. Now it goes down and up, but it's a little sketchy from the switch. You got to screw with the switch. You can see that it doesn't work sometimes. So I'm going to condemn this switch and the master switch. So I was able to find a set of new switches. I'm not sure if they're OE. I doubt it. They're probably knockoffs, but they come with all 4 switches. They look correct. So I've ordered these ones from the US. This is the only thing I found. I checked Rock Auto and nobody has them in stock. I checked Amazon. eBay was the only place I found them.